Yo, what's up YouTube? I've got a wind-up deck profile for you guys today. I just recently, or not recently, I put the deck together a couple of weeks. I was playtesting this in Rabbit, debating on which to take to the Arizona, the Mesa, Arizona regionals I'm coming to recently, and I chose to take wind-up to it. And if I top, then I'm just going to take Rabbit to the Colorado Springs Maya regionals. So yeah, I know the deck's going to be hit on the list in March, but I figured why not play it for another month. It's a great deck for now. So yeah, I'll just go right into the deck profile then. So to start, we have the 3 Magician, 3 Shark, 3 Rat, 3 Rabbit, all standard. And then we have 2 Tour Guide and Sangan, and 2 Thunder King. 17 monsters. For the spells, I'm running 3 Factory, 1 Months Reborn, Dark Hole, Cloud of Avarice, and Heavy Storm. I am running 1 Lance and 3 MST. That's it for the spells. It's 11 spells. For the traps, the Solemn Brigade, Double Torrential, Double Bottomless, Double Compulse, 2 Deep Prison, and 1 Mirror Force. That's 12 traps. It's a 40 card main deck. For the extra deck, this is pretty standard as well. 1 Carrier, 1 Zen Mains, 1 Tempo, 1 Leviair, 1 Leviathan, and 1 Acid Golem. For our level 3s. Then for the level 4s, we have the Cowboy, a Maestroke, a Zen Meister, he's for the OTK, Papal Operative, Black Ship, Shockmaster, Utopia, and then 2 level 5s, Chirrus and Adrius. And then the side deck, the side deck needs a little bit of work. I put it together really fast, so there's just a couple of changes I need to make. It's actually 14 cards right now, but right now I have 3 Baylor in there. I'm probably going to take 1 out and just put in 2 Max C. But yeah. 2 Snowman Eater, 2 Messenger of Peace, 2 Soul Taker, 2 Dimensional Fissure, 2 Dust Tornado, and 1 Needle Sealing. So that was the deck. Let me know what you guys think. Hope you enjoyed it, and comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks.